What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another special unboxing of the Mini Z RWD series. Today I have the Audi RA LMS 2015 Red Edition. You can see that it's a RWD MR-03 chassis, wide in the front with an setup. And we're going to be doing an unboxing of this car. So here you can see how dusty the box is. I've had it for a while, I just haven't opened it. But this was one of the cheaper kits to buy on the market. And you're going to see why. Here are the components that it contains. Obviously it has the chassis and the controller. But they've actually, I don't know if you can see this, but they've actually blacked out some of the parts that the other kits contain, and that would be the ball bearings. So if you remember from my last video, the Mercedes-Benz AMG contained ball bearings, and they this is where it would have stated it. They've actually just put a black tape on it. So we're gonna open this up and see what's really inside. This kit retailed for about $130 US compared to about $175 for the other kits. So I think that's probably, reasonable as a first starter kit ready to run. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Alright, so we're gonna proceed to unbox this, and I've already cut open the tape, so saves us some time. You get to see the very nice red Audi R8. It's a good thing that they secure this to the cardboard. So here you can see the car itself, and just like all the other Kyosho products, it's very well detailed. They do a very good job of keeping all the details and aesthetics of the car very true to form. We'll put that aside. Next we have our instruction manual, standard for the kits. Next we have some cones and some tools. More chassis parts. These are for modifying the chassis to make them shorter or longer if you want. And then of course the transmitter unit, which you can pair to the receiver in the car. So very, very basic, but for a first run car, this is all you need. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly check to see with the wheel nut here if there's any ball bearings. I highly doubt it because this was a cheaper kit on the market. So taking the nut off, and you can see here that these are plastic bushings, one on the inside and outside of the wheel. So that confirms it, and to be honest, I think that $130 for this price is a pretty good darn deal. You're getting a quality car just minus some parts, and even if you did add the ball bearings, they are kind of cheap. You can get them for about $10 a set, maybe a little bit more for Kyosho versions. But honestly, they're all the same, and for someone who's just starting out, this is a great first recommendation set. I think if you have some open space like a garage and some family members you want to drive around with, you can set up your own course. You can even use these cones that they provide. All you need are 4 AAA batteries for the car, 4 for the transmitter, link them up, and you're good to go.